In this video, we'll give you 3 tips on how to record a great video resume. Now here in the CazVid app, you can record your video resume either directly in the app or upload a pre-made video. We'll talk about both, but first, number 1, have a plan. This is your chance to introduce yourself and make a great first impression. The huge benefit of a video resume is that you get to talk directly to the employer and tell them what you want them to know about you, rather than a written resume where they may not even read the details you believe to be most important about you. Introduce yourself, tell them what you're looking for and how you are the best choice for the job. I recommend writing down what you want to say and even using a teleprompter app to make it easy to remember. Number 2, presentation. Unless you're applying to be a news anchor or an actor, you don't need to be a professional on camera, but you do want to present yourself well. Make sure your video is well lit, that your audio is clear, testing 1, 2, 3, and your background free of clutter or distractions. And yourself? Dress and present yourself in a way that is appropriate for the job to which you are applying. Number 3, get creative. Now, what if you're just not comfortable on camera, don't want to be on camera, or it's not important for the job to which you're applying? Or maybe you just want to make a more creative video. You don't have to record directly in the app. You can click that button and upload a pre-made video. This is an opportunity to show your creativity, show your skills, jobs you've done, or your portfolio. Add titles, add effects, get as creative as you like. Remember, this is your chance to make a great first impression. And remember to keep your video short, to the point, in less than 30 seconds. Thanks for using the CazVid Employment app. Contact us if you have any questions, and be sure to watch our other tutorial videos. Thanks, and good luck.